The paper price for silver is back over $26 an ounce, and I just wanted to give another quick update on the Sprott Physical Silver Trust, or PSLV. So physical silver is still coming in to the Sprott Physical Silver Trust. There still is physical silver inflows, although like last week, the amount of physical silver is starting to slow down compared to the pace of the last 4 to 6 weeks and in late December and January and early February. This week, it looks like around 2 million ounces came in. Sprott on their Twitter put out that over 1.6 million ounces of physical silver came into the Sprott Physical Silver Trust in a single day this week. And the other major piece of news out for the Sprott Physical Silver Trust is that there was an additional SEC filing, Securities and Exchange Commission, if you're not American or not familiar with what that means, to sell $3 billion worth of more units for the Sprott Physical Silver Trust, so that way the trust can buy more physical ounces of silver. So that is a substantial amount of additional physical silver that the Sprott Physical Silver Trust wants to acquire in the market. So that shows, I think, that demand for physical silver is strong. Although the amount of physical silver inflows is slowing down, it is something to still be monitored. But overall, the amount of physical silver in the Sprott Physical Silver Trust is up enormously in the last year or two, and now it is almost at 130 million ounces. And since the end of December, early January, it's gone from about 94 million ounces up to 128 million ounces. So very, very impressive. And we'll have to monitor to see if the amount of physical ounces coming in is still positive or if the amount starts to drop. But as of now, there is no drop in the amount of physical ounces coming in. The total of physical ounces of silver is still growing, and it is another good sign that the Sprott Physical Silver Trust is planning to sell up to $3 billion worth of more units for this trust to go and buy more metal. That they think there's a demand to sell the units to go and buy the metal. Otherwise, they probably wouldn't have done the SEC filing. Also, the additional piece of news is on the left-hand side of the screen there, that it looks like the US Mint is now starting to cancel some orders. So I don't have more details on it, but that is someone who trades silver and is involved in the silver squeeze, and there's a screenshot there that US Mint orders are indeed being canceled. I don't have a lot of details on it, but we'll have to see if more and more details come out in the next couple days and weeks.